So hello and welcome to this new series of Power Query. So now we have a date function here. So we will use date function to find out day in a date and month in a date and year in a date. So how we can do that? So there are other functions like in Excel we can use like text function for that, but how we can use it in Power Query, let's see out. So we have a date here, so we just click over date, then we will go to data, and first of all we have to convert it into a table. So we'll go from tables, so a new window will appear. So now we have a new window here. It's taking some time. Okay, so first of all we will convert it into my table as a header, like date is the header here. Then we press OK. Now new window will appear. So it is running a bit slow. Now Power Query Editor is on the screen here. Now we have a date here, but this date is also showing time, but in that case we do not need time. So what we will do, we will click here is a button, and from here we will just take time, like here is a date time, so we'll just take date here. So now replace current, so we just click on that and it converted it into a date format. Now what we need to do, we need to find out a day from this. So we just click, it's already selected, so this, and then we will go to add column, and in the add column we have a date function here. So I just click over that, and year. So if you want to find out the year, so we will just go here and click on year, so it shows the year here. So we can go another, again we will select this, then again we will go to date function, and this time I will find out month. So we have a month here, and if we want to know the date, like if you want to delete this step, so for that we go to apply steps and just remove this, so this step will be deleted. Then again we will go to date here, and then day, so it will ask and then we go to month, name of the month. Instead of that, name of the month will be a better option, so it shows the name of the month. Similarly, we want to find out the day, which is already selected. We go there, and from here, from day, so we just click on day, so it shows like it's the second day, the third day, it's showing the date of the month. And now if you want to find out the week of the day, so we go to week and week of the month, so just click on that, so it is showing in number, so it even show the week of the month. Again we will select this, and we will say day of the month, like which day, like this is a week, day of the week, name of the week. So we can go to week here, starting week, week of the month, week of the year. So all these things can be shown, a week of the month, so it is showing it's the first week. And if you want to convert it into the name, we can also do that. So I just remove this step here, these two steps, week of the month, week of the year, and then I will select this and see how we can find it out. Month, name of the month, we have already done that. Then we go to week of the month is only saying, day of the week, name of the day, that can also be shown. So name of the day can also be shown here, so this is better. So we are finding a report where we can find out year, month, day and day name. So this is your year, this is your month, this is the day, and this is our name of the week. So now if we want to go and close and load this. So we just click here, and then I want to close and load this on the same sheet. So I will take this option, second one, close and load to the same sheet. So it show a table here, then I will put here, then in the existing table I just click and delete this, then I will go there and I will click here and press OK and press load. So we have our formatted data from Power Query, where we can find all the information what we need from this. So we have here, like we have a month here, day here, and whatever we want to make edit here, so that is also possible. So this is here, I will just click right click and go to edit, and I can make any changes, whatever changes we want. Beside that, if we will increase some date here in our raw data, which we have already done, if you want to increase anything in here, I will go to down, okay, last one, and just press tab here and put another date. (2025) here, and just enter it, and then I will go here, right click, and if you want to add this data in my Power Query data, and then refresh it. So after refreshing, we have a next date also here. So that's all in this video.